Pinnacle Machine Tools pride itself on being a leader in the manufacture of high-quality machine tools that are equipped with the latest technology and innovations available. Pinnacle machines are designed to offer great value for money, high accuracy and reliability. The UK business was set up to deliver exceptional machine tools whilst offering first-class service and support. Pinnacle quickly realised that travel could be an issue during the COVID-19 pandemic and quickly went about developing a world-class VR showroom. The showroom is really straightforward to navigate, clear and concise, and maps out the Pinnacle range of machine tools, making it very attractive to clients and prospects alike. Pinnacle have really taken the user's journey into consideration, and within 5 minutes they could have unearthed all of the required information. In the showroom, users will be able to find machines such as the impressive BX900T, a high-precision 5-axis control vertical machining centre that enjoys a swivel head with direct drive motor on the rotary table to achieve the highest productivity in 5-axis machining. The LV8 Vertical Machining Centre is very popular for Pinnacle, and this can also be viewed in the showroom. The LV5 and LV8 is a multifaceted series. It is not only ideal for smaller factories, but they can also be found in many larger factories too. If you're serious about increasing machine productivity and profits, the Pinnacle Linear Way series may be worth considering alongside other linear machines that can be viewed, such as the LV147. Also in the showroom is the globally renowned AX500 5-axis machine, which is built from a strong, high-quality Meonite cast iron base and boasts 45mm roller linear bearings on the X, Y and Z axes, all for increased stability. This impressive 5-axis machine is available with many standard options that will be sufficient for the majority of users. Now, the final machine that I'm going to cover from the Pinnacle VR showroom is the DU1412 double column machining centre. Now, this is the largest machine in the range and is offered as a 3, 4 or 5 axis configuration. The machine has a number of heads as options, including manual universal head, 90-degree boring milling head, as well as an automatic BC axis milling head. If you'd like to find out more information about the Pinnacle range of machines, please contact Pinnacle Machine Tools UK.